Hello everybody, I'm Eddie Tan, founder and director of Goodman Interior. Founded in 2017 with more than 10 years of experience in interior design, the mission for Goodman Interior is to create a dream home for homeowners with more practical design. A lot of homeowners are curious about our company name. Instead of a fancy name, the name Goodman Interior was chosen because we translate into Chinese. It stands for a good person. In Chinese is 好人. As our team continues to grow, we are looking for those who have passion in this field to join our team. If you think you are also a good man, continue watching this video to find out what our ID do on a typical day.
Communicating and understanding what our clients want is the first step. As a Goodman designer, we respond to and handle sales inquiries through showroom, email, and telephone to help clients find the best solution for their renovation.
Besides that, we also produce 2D and 3D drawings to convey design ideas to help clients visualize their dream home.
And guess what? Our designs actually ensures that all the projects are delivered and coordinated among the clients and the contractors and supervised so that the projects are delivered in time. I recommend working at Goodman because they offer an entry point to the industry and guidance.
I have a strong sense of ownership working with a team that listens and accepts.
I really love the culture here. There's just a sporty family atmosphere.
Most importantly, a company with good business ethics.
Advice for all aspiring interior designers out there. Well, one very important aspect for someone to be ID would be that you need to be laser focused.
If you want to be an interior designer, you have to expect the sites to be in this condition and don't be afraid to get dirty.
Besides having passion for design, you need to have the willingness to learn as there's challenges every day for you.
OK， 我对新 ID 的建议是要足够认真与细心，因为当你踏上 ID 这条路的话，只要你足够认真，你就不会失败。而关于细心，因为通常在整个装修的过程当中，都会出现一些细节上的小问题，只要你足够细心的去注意和解决这些细节上的小问题，你就离成功的道路不远了。加油
Good.
Good.